Hey everyone, I wanted to open up our class by showing you how to do an Instagram snap from our Canva link. So first thing we want to do is go into Learning Modules. We're going to choose Learning Module 1. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the opening activity and it's got a link to Canva. I put one down here so that you could see what my original one looked like. But let's go ahead and make another one. So I'm going to click on the link right here and it's going to take me to the Canva website. It's either going to welcome you to being a part of my team already, or it's going to ask you to sign up. The thing I'm going to choose is an Instagram post. Okay, then I'm going to go to uploads and I'm going to pick the picture that I want. So I'm going to choose upload files. I put mine on my desktop so it's easy to find. Mine's Crawfish Day 23. We had a school-wide crawfish boil. I'm going to just drag it over and it's going to take control of the whole thing and make it a big page. Now I'm going to go into text and I'm going to give myself a word. So my word is going to be prepared. Just grab it on the corner and pull it down either way. I'm going to make it light blue so it stands out. And I'm going to bring it down here to the bottom where we can see it. As a matter of fact, I'm even going to make it bold. Okay. I want to animate it. I'm going to bring it in. There we go. So now I've got a little animation going on right there. And I can check it to see what it looks like. That's all the instructions asked me to do. Okay, so now I want to download it. It's going to suggest as import. That's perfect. We're going to hit download and it's going to download my video for me. Okay, so mine showed me that it finished downloading. So now I know where it is. I can click on it and look at it and see, make sure that it's the right thing that I wanted. Okay, now I've got my file downloaded. I finished with my snap. Now I want to upload it. So I'm going to go into discussions and I'm going to choose introduction snap. With every discussion post, we're going to hit create thread. And now I want to import my picture. So I'm going to go to the plus sign right here. Insert local files. There's my one that I just made. I'm going to double click that. I need to give it a name. Welcome to class. I might say something about myself here. I might say my name is Craig. Okay, now I'm going to hit submit, and to check it I'll hit welcome to the class, and there it is. And anybody that comes to mind can look on it and hit. So make sure that you're using the Canva link. Make sure you're using the import so that you can have your picture on the page and it doesn't just post a link. Make sure that you're not just uploading a picture. We want to go through the whole process because this is part of getting started and making sure that we understand our technology. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a text or give me an email.